Welcome to Quikir's new recurring revenue module. Without leaving Excel, you can instantly generate a wide range of analyses from a given company's sales data cube by simply selecting the range. Our AI automatically tags each column, identifying customer IDs, dates, and any unique identifiers in your dataset. Once you've confirmed the data mapping, you can choose what cuts you want to run. If you need to drill down on specific segments, you can add custom filters based on the unique identifiers in your data. When you're ready, Quikirr generates a comprehensive set of tailored analyses in seconds. Each tab is generated with clean formatting, accompanying graphs, and fully auditable Excel formulas traceable to the backup data. Quikir's module transforms hours of tedious spreadsheet work into a streamlined process, delivering actionable insights instantly. Now, let's quickly review each analysis generated by Quikirr. We start with the Waterfalls, which bridge ARR period over period and include relevant KPIs. Next, the Unit Economics tabs calculate metrics such as lifetime value to customer acquisition cost. Cohort Analyses outline the performance of different customer cohorts, including net dollar retention and gross logo retention. The top customer analyses highlight the largest customers, including new customers, upsells, downsells, and churn. Any or all of these tabs can be recreated for subsegments of the dataset, as shown here for the custom filter we added in the form earlier. Additional filtered cuts can be generated at any time. Available now on our website, Quikir's recurring revenue features are the ideal complement to our powerful model builder and analysis suite.